Be sure to check out my store for the stuff I use and templates at a low cost, and get my everything pack so you can have everything in my store at a reduced cost, less than $20 if you tweet it out.
What's up guys, Quizzy here bringing you guys another video. Today I'm going to be giving away my 25,000 subscribers pack. This pack took a long time to put together. There's a lot of stuff in it, so be sure to download it, check it out. It's definitely my best free pack to date, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. It's really big, might take a little bit to download. But anyways, I just want to say thank you so much for 25,000 subscribers. Anyone who's subscribed, anyone who's clicked a video, clicked like, any of that stuff, I just want to thank you so much for doing so. We have over 1 million views on the channel, 25,000 subscribers. Like, this is stuff I never thought I would achieve. I remember freaking out over a video hitting 1,000 views and then freaking out over 1,000 subscribers and stuff like that. And now I'm here, and it's pretty wild. I know it's not like big in terms of YouTube numbers, but it's big for me and what I expected. And I just want to say thank you to all you guys who support me. Also, a huge thank you to anyone who supports my Patreon page, who's ever bought anything from my store, who's ever bought anything for me to design for them, like client work or anything like that. Because you guys keep this channel going. My videos aren't monetized, I don't make any money off of that. So the only reason I can keep making videos is because of store purchases, because of people supporting my Patreon page, and because of people buying designs off me. So a huge shout out to you guys, shout out to all you who are subscribed, who watch my videos, and thank you for checking this one out, and hopefully you enjoy the pack. Be sure to check out my Twitter down below, check out my Instagram, doing a lot of soccer related stuff on that if you guys are interested. And yeah, check out my store below and my Patreon page. I'd really appreciate any support on those. But thanks again, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.
I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fools gold. I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? You were fool's gold. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Yes, I did.